Next, we have skills. This section allows you to create and manage skills across your organization. You can easily add new skills by entering the skill name and selecting the department or departments where the skill is applicable. Once added, all skills are organized in a centralized list for easy access and management. You can also filter the list by skill name or department, allowing you to quickly find specific skills rather than searching by user. You can also edit existing skills, update the skill name, or change the associated department or departments whenever required. Now, to assign and update your skills, navigate to the My Profile section and scroll down to the Skills tab. Here, you can select the skills relevant to your department and rate yourself based on your proficiency. You can also add multiple skills to your profile as needed. Once done, click Save to update your profile.